Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is XJ88XDept. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually make a bootable floppy disk on a modern Mac to play floppy disk game. And let's get it started. It's really easy. It's not that simple. I've done it like 27 times. So what you will need a USB floppy disk drive. If you don't know where to get one, I'll put that into the link in the description below. If you guys are having a hard time finding a floppy disk at a thrift store or any like vintage computer store, I will put that into the link in the description also. But first, we're gonna put our floppy disk into the computer, into the drive. As you guys can hear that noise, it's kicking, which means it's reading the disk. So now we're gonna open up Firefox. There is a website that I found a long time ago. There it is. There, our floppy disk is just stay uninitialized. Let's open it. As you guys can see, it's empty. So let's go to Firefox. So the website that I found is called Macintosh. Let me just type it in. Macintosh. There it is. It's called Old Mac Software by Macintosh Repository. But some of the games require a membership. It is free, but the only thing about this website is when you just make your account and when you just like exit out if you just exit out the website, you will have to put in your email and password in. But sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So let's look for a game. So we're gonna type in Pac-Man. You can only download one game at a time. You cannot download a game like Tea Time because it's just gonna ask you to download one game at a time. Because if you're a membership, you can download the game like unlimited. So this is the game that I was looking for, Pac-Man, and the file has to be a terabyte file. It cannot be a gigabyte file, and a megabyte file because it won't support the floppy disk. See it? And this is the one you want to look for. It has to say macOS 9. If you're running with macOS 8.6, you can run it with OS 9.2 and OS 9 and OS 9.1. It will work. So what we're going to do, we're going to click download. It says please note, doing backup and sometimes download from completing and try again in 6 hours. So click download. And it says you understand the hardware dates back to 1991. So click OK. There we are. You have choose to open, and you'll also need on the archiver. It is free to download. I'll put that into the link in the description up there. You guys can download it for free. So click save. And we're gonna drag our bar and open up the Pac-Man zip file, and we're going to drag it into the desktop. Let go. There we are. Minimize this. And what we're going to do, we're not going to like open it, we're just going to drag it onto the drive. As you guys can hear the noise, my floppy disk drive is kicking in, they're copying. And it stopped. So now you want to open up the drive. And there you have it. Anyway, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment below, and stay tuned for my next video.